let's talk about passive income. Is it actually possible to build a real income stream online that pretty much runs on its own? Well, one of the easiest ways to get started is with the Fiverr affiliate program. In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how it works, how you can get started, and a really smart plan to get those first commissions rolling in. Okay, let's jump right in. Seriously, just take a second and picture that. You wake up, you grab your phone, and you see that you earned money while you were asleep. That's not some crazy dream. It's what a well-built affiliate income stream looks like. And that's the core idea we're going to unpack right now. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to create your own product, you don't have to deal with clients, and you for sure don't need a massive audience of thousands of followers to make this work. All you need is a good plan, and that's exactly what we're covering today. So, how does this whole thing work, really? The simplest way to think about it is that as a Fiverr affiliate, your job is to be, well, a bridge. Think about it like this. On one side, you have millions of people, entrepreneurs, creators, small businesses, who all need stuff done. You know, logo designs, video editing, SEO help. And on the other side, you've got Fiverr, this giant marketplace just packed with talented freelancers who do exactly that. You are that bridge. You share your special link, someone clicks it, they buy a service, and boom, you earn a commission. It's actually that simple. Now, how you get paid is where it gets really cool, because Fiverr gives you options. First up, you've got the CPA model. That's a one-time payment of anywhere from $15 to $150 for every new person you send their way. Then there's a revenue share model, which is 10% for their really high-end pro services. But listen up, the third one, the hybrid model, this is the game changer for passive income. You get $10 up front, plus a 10% cut of everything that customer spends for life. Yeah, you heard that right. One referral could keep paying you for years. Okay, so you're probably thinking, I'm in. But how do you actually get your account approved? And fast. Let's go over the plan to get you on the fast track. So many people think you need to be some huge influencer to get in, but that's just not true. If you're a blogger, a YouTuber, a Pinterest creator, a social media manager, basically anyone over 18 who has some kind of platform can apply. It could just be a simple blog or a social media page. And getting paid is easy too. They've got PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfer. All right, here's the absolute key to getting approved quickly. Be specific in your application. Don't just say something vague like, I'll post on social media. No way. Instead, write something clear and professional like this. I plan to create content recommending Fiverr freelancers for logo design, SEO, and web development for small business owners. See how that shows you have a real plan? That's what gets you approved, fast. So you're in. Congrats. Now, what do you actually promote? Look, not all Fiverr services are going to make you this same kind of money. The smart play here is to focus on the services that people are always looking for. Let's look at the top 5. First, logo design. Every new business on the planet needs a logo. It's evergreen. Then, SEO services. I mean, who doesn't want more traffic to their website? It's a goldmine. Website development is great because those projects are usually higher priced, which means a bigger commission for you. And with the world obsessed with video and social media, video editing and social media management are always in high demand. And here's a little pro tip for you. Think seasonally. Time your promotions with what's going on in the world. You could promote services for holiday marketing, back-to-school stuff, or even during big product launch seasons. When demand for those services goes up, so can your earnings. Okay, so you know what you're going to promote. The big question now is, where do you actually share your links so people click on them? Let's break down 4 really effective strategies. Each of these channels is powerful in its own way. Blogging is amazing for creating helpful content that naturally leads someone to a Fiverr service. Pinterest is a visual search engine where your content can get discovered for months and months. Email marketing is fantastic for conversions because you're talking to people who already trust you. And short-form video on places like TikTok and Reels can drive a ton of traffic really fast. I want to stop on Pinterest for a second because this is a secret weapon for affiliates. So many people think it's social media, but it's not. It is a search engine. A pin you create today could still be sending you traffic 6 months from now. For the best results, make your pins vertical. 1000 by 1500 pixels is the sweet spot. Slap some bold text on there to make it pop, and use a tool like Tailwind to schedule your pins so you're always consistent. All right, let's have a quick reality check. It's time to talk about what you can actually expect to earn, the biggest mistakes you need to avoid, and some tools that are going to make your life way easier. Let's be real about the money. When you're just starting out, a good realistic goal is to aim for somewhere between $50 and $200 a month. But the key is consistency. As your content grows, that can absolutely scale up to $1,000 a month and even more. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Now, the number one mistake I see beginners make is just spamming their links everywhere without any context. That just doesn't work. The real secret is to solve a problem for your audience first, offer genuine value, and then recommend a Fiverr dig as the perfect solution. Always, always lead with helping people. And look, you don't have to do all this from scratch. There are some incredible tools that can help. Use Canva to create all your graphics and pins. It's super easy. We already talked about Tailwind for scheduling your Pinterest content. You'll definitely want Google Analytics to track what's working. And tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest are amazing for finding the right keywords to target in your content. Before you take off, we want to make sure you have everything you need. We've put together a full beginner's guide that goes way deeper on all of this, with the complete commission details and step-by-step instructions. The link is right there for you in the description, so go click it and save it. Now, if this explainer helped you out, do us a quick favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next one. And finally, drop a comment below and let us know, which of these promotion strategies are you going to try first? Blogging, Pinterest, email, or short-form video? We'd love to hear it. Thanks so much for tuning in.